My Tennessee Home Solutions Concierge Listing Service is a beneficial process for everyone involved, but especially for home sellers that want the benefits of a cash offer and without the hassle of a traditional listing. But what is it and how can it benefit you? The traditional listing option can take 6 to 8 months, require lots of back and forth negotiations, the need for repairs, and a final sale price netting you less than what you were counting on. When you choose our Concierge Listing Service, we step in on your behalf to take the many responsibilities, expenses, and time commitments of a traditional home sale off your shoulders. With the Concierge Listing Program, we offer you certainty of price and timeline. This means you can sell your property with confidence, knowing that you're making an efficient, hassle-free decision. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. We will have an initial discussion about the details of your property to ensure you're eligible for the program, to assist in determining a fair offer price, and for calculating your estimated profits. An official offer is presented to you in person, which we will walk through together, ensuring all your questions are addressed. And unlike many other We Buy Homes for Cash companies, we will not attempt to renegotiate a lower price later because we guarantee our offer price and we follow through on our commitment to you. Upon acceptance of the offer, you will also sign a few quick things, including a seller's disclosure of the home's condition, Concierge Listing Service Agreement, title documents, and an authorization allowing us to execute the remainder of the sales documents on your behalf. You might be saying, I could do this myself. Sure you could, but it would be without the exclusive market resources, network of qualified buyers, guaranteed offer, financial backing for repairs, dedicated time and expertise you're afforded with our Concierge Listing Service. In addition to all of our resources, you get to skip the piles of paperwork that come with selling a house, like listing agreements, disclosures, agency agreements, title documents, amendments, counteroffers, and closing documents. You might also be wondering, how do they get paid? And that's a great question. We get paid directly from the buyer. A huge benefit of choosing our Concierge Listing Service is the relief from paying real estate commissions to your agent and the buyer's agent, as is the norm in a traditional sale. That's a savings of what is typically a total of 6% of your sale price. This also incentivizes us to work very hard to ensure we get a strong offer on the timeline you want. I bet now you're thinking, this sounds great, what do I do next? That's it. We will take over from here. You can kick your feet up and fast forward to the part where your check arrives if you want. After all, that's why you're considering a Concierge Listing Service. While you relax, we will prepare the property and stage for listing photos. Do an initial inspection for our awareness of what to fix ahead of time. Work around schedule conflicts for buyer showing appointments. Review and negotiate offers, advocating for the most beneficial terms to you. Ensure buyer's financing is approved. Pay for and complete any repair requests needed. Attend the final closing to sign closing documents and complete the sale. Take care of any commissions and closing costs. Upon closing, the buyer's funds are dispersed to you and to us as agreed in the original agreement. With My Tennessee Home Solution, you can throw the uncertainty out the window and count on us to follow through on our commitment to the upfront terms you agreed to. Call us to learn more about our Concierge Listing Service.